Here at Radnor Hills we produce a whole range of mineral water, soft drinks, mixers, juices, really any sort of liquid beverage you can imagine. The business grew out of a farming business. We've had a huge number of people join us because we couldn't have got to where we are now without a lot of new people coming along with lots of different skills. So we've got everything here from food technologists through to software engineers. It's got the whole gambit of different skills that you need to run, a medium-sized enterprise like this.
I think the food and drink sector, it's a sector we're always going to need, particularly if you look at how times have been recently with COVID. We're all consumers of food and drinks. It's great to see it from the other side. I think we take for granted, perhaps when we see a product on shelf, exactly what's involved in getting it there. It's a lot of skills that are needed.
Over the past 4 years, we've delivered apprenticeships to in excess of 80 learners. So yeah, just to give you one example, we've had an apprentice here that started off doing a level 3 qualification, and they've just very recently achieved their level 4 food manufacturing excellence. And I think that really shows the level of commitment Radnor Hills have to invest in their staff and how well that the apprenticeships fall in line with internal promotions.
The apprenticeship appealed to me. From my own point of view, I get to gain more knowledge about the lines that I'm running, how they're run. It's something that I've always wanted to do, and I'd do it all over again if I could.
If I have to say what I enjoy most about the role, I would say it's the job satisfaction I get from seeing the products on the shelves, out and about. Every day is different, faces new challenges, involves problem solving, or it can be a new idea that we've got and we want to take forward. So it's just, learning constantly.
For anybody thinking about going into the food and drink sector, for me, this is one of the most exciting sectors that you can get involved with. There's a career there for life, really, and you can come in and you can work your way through. There's help and training to get yourself to the next level. It's always dynamic, it's always changing, and it's fun.